Alright, so this is a massive breakdown of how you can actually get started on GoodNovel.com, right? This is a platform where you can actually upload your novels you've already written and also sell it out on this very platform, okay? And in this very video, I'm going to simply break it down and show you how this particular website works, how you can actually get started, and how you can actually write your own novels, original novels, okay? So if you don't know about GoodNovel is just one particular website where you can actually read novels, alright? So readers that come over to this video platform, they pick a novel they want to read, either from the mobile app or the website section, all right? And most of these novels are being locked, okay, to a paid wall. So if users are reading a particular novel and get to the point where they need to pay money to actually access the complete chapters and stories of the novel, then they have to pay money, right? So that's basically how this particular website makes money, and the owner of that particular book actually gets some commission by doing that, okay? So in this very video, I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually write your own novel and publish it on this very platform. So without further ado, let's get into the video of the day, okay? So this is the interface of the platform. This is the front end of this particular website, all right, where readers can actually get started with, and this is the back end where you can actually upload your own. And for you to get started, you need to actually create your account as a writer on this platform, okay? I'm going to be creating a new account for the sake of this very video, okay, so that you know how it works from scratch, okay? I'm not going to be using my old account for it. I'm going to be using a new account, right? So all you need to do is simply head over to your browser and you search for GoodNovel. Click on this GoodNovel.com, all right? Then you can sign up with your Facebook or your Google account or continue with email address, okay? You can see right here, this is the brand new account we just created right now, okay? And once you come onto this very platform, you're going to see this is the interface of the platform, and you're going to see some trending books, popular books right here. If you're a writer, this is going to simply help you a lot. So if you know how to write already, you have books, you have novels that you've not really sold out, you can actually publish them on this very platform because you are selling your own original content, okay? So using AI to write everything is not acceptable on this platform. You have to make sure you add your own ideas and also make sure that everything is 100% original and not copied from anywhere, so that your account will stay compliant. And this is a new account we created right now, okay? Click on this story section, okay? You can see we have a story section where you can actually add our own story. This platform, they have two simple sections, okay? For contract, they have the exclusive section and also the non-exclusive section. The exclusive section is where you can actually publish your book only on this platform, and they own 100% right over that particular novel you've already written, okay? Which means you're not going to be selling your books on any other platform like Amazon or Seller or any other platform. But if you're publishing your book as non-exclusive, it means you can actually publish your book here and also publish in another place where people can actually read, okay? So even if you don't know how to write, add your own point of view so that the AI will focus on what you already know on your head and assist you with the workflow, okay? After picking your book genre, the next thing to do right now is simply think about ideas, all right? Alright, so this is a simple pattern that I follow, okay? You have to make sure whatever thing you generate here, you have to edit it 100%, make it original, okay? This is what I wrote here: generate 10 original good novel style romance story ideas that are emotional, dramatic, and also original. Avoid fan fiction, copied plot, and also anything too similar to famous books, and make them suitable for a long serial novel, alright? From the titles, you can actually think about the plot, you can think about the ideas of this particular stuff, okay? This is what you generated for me. You can see the marriage deal with enemy, and it's going to simply give you a little snippet of the story, okay? And you can see the billionaire who lost his memory. It's going to simply give you a little snippet of the story. It's out of the titles it gave me, I have to simply pick one, okay, based on what I know I can actually support and give it ideas to create, okay? So remember, this is the one I picked. I picked My Boss Is My Secret Husband, okay? Then I told it what I want, the type of story I want, based on real life stories or maybe just fiction you think about from your head, okay? Whatever you just built up from your head is actually going to simply be original, okay? And I told it to give me all the chapters of this particular book, okay, based on what I've already given it. You have to think about this from your inner self. Don't research it online. The only thing you need from the AI is to give you ideas of titles, okay? Once you get the titles, remember, from a title of a movie, you can actually picture what that movie is all about, okay? Picture the novel from your head based on the title, okay? Once you picture it, you can write it down on that same AI. Write it down and tell it to give you the chapters, right? You can see these are the core setup right here, and these are the chapters of the book I gave it, okay? After writing the chapter, the next thing now is to write the character profiles, okay? The main characters are Adeze more. All right, the age is 27. The personality is smart, proud, guided, and lot more. Okay, we have the second character, which is Daniel Val. Okay, the age is 32, and the personality is calm, intense, and lot more. Right. Okay, so remember, the main idea is not to use AI to do everything. The main idea is to actually think about what you want AI to do for you. Right. If I want to make a novel about this charger, I have to simply think about the kind of scene I want for this charger, storyline I want for this charger. Maybe someone stole this charger, and from stealing it, then I decided to fall in love with the person that stole it, and all of that. Okay, so all of these things are just lines you can actually think about, and AI can actually enhance it for you, and this is going to simply make you write original content. Okay, you can make your story 10 chapters, 20 chapters, 30 chapters, depending on how you want it. Okay, we wrote over 5 chapters of this particular book. Okay, so after everything, the next you need to do, simply go over to your browser to this very section that says create. Okay, so you click on this create button, and you have to add the name of the book. Title is My Boss Is My Secret Husband. Okay, so then add your book title here. All right, so the language is English. You can see the language is English. Then the targeted audience is female. All right, then content rating is +16 plus. All right, then novel type, the novel type is original. Okay, then the genres, we're going to be adding genres. We're going to be adding romance as a genre. And for the tags, you can actually add tags. You can edit tags. You then click on OK. Okay, for the synopsis, we're going to simply add the synopsis right here. Okay, so we've already written our synopsis. Okay, so this is it right here. We're going to simply go ahead and copy that, add it here. Okay, as you're adding your book, most of the bonuses will be pushed out for you to actually add. Okay, so let's go down here. You're going to see most of the bonuses right here. Okay, so you have to enter the bonus that is related to your own book type. Okay, true love right here. I think I have this one. The next you have to do right now is simply go ahead and add your book cover here. Okay, and you have to actually create this cover with Canva. Okay, or use AI to generate that. Okay, this is a prompt I gave you. You can see this is the book cover here. I can download it from here. Let's click on this, then click on open. So you can see this is what we have here. Simply click on the create button. Then the next thing you have to do right now is simply start adding your chapters one after the other. Okay, so this is the first chapter of our book. Then you come here. This is our chapter 1 right here. You can see. Then we're going to simply be adding the content you've already written. Okay, make sure it is original. Then this is the chapter 1. Then add it here. Click on this add new chapter, and you add the second chapter. Okay, with this strategy, I'm going to simply go ahead and add all the chapters. Okay, we have all the details right here. We have the chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this particular book has a lot of chapters, but I'm going to simply be using the chapter 5 for now. Okay, for the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be a longer one. All right, click on this publish button. For you to publish it, click on the publish button, and you can schedule it or publish it now. Okay, so we're going to be using the now button, so click on the confirm button. Chapter 4 has been published. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 has been published as well. Let's go ahead and publish chapter 2. So we'll do the same for all the chapters. All right, until chapter 5. Okay, so you can see all the chapters has been published. Okay, so all we need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this. I'm going to be removing this untitled chapter. Okay, so all the chapters of this particular book has been published. All right, and you can see right here our book has been published, and we have 7.5k words. Okay, like I said, if you want to continue the chapters, you can add chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9. You can end up getting into chapter 30. Okay, which is the ending part of the book. Then you start another book again. That's basically how this platform works. But for you to apply for contract, click on this apply for contract section. Okay, you have to add your email address, your real name, your pen name, your Facebook homepage. Okay, it could be your profile or your page. Okay, your name can go, your international passport, driver's license can go. Okay, so I've already added it on my old account, so I'm not going to be adding it again on this new account so that it will not affect my old account. Okay, so this basically is not really complicated. Once you have this in place, add your ID right here, upload it, and also select your country. The best part is that it works worldwide anywhere you work from. Okay, so you have to select your age, everything, then click on the next button, and this will be submitted, and you have to simply wait for them to actually approve it. Okay, once it is approved, you can actually stand the chance of getting the bonus, and that's basically how this particular website works. And right here, this is the book we've already written on this video section. Okay, so the book is very much ready. You can go to next chapter, and the book is actually ranking alongside other books. All right, so you can actually read it on this very platform, and I'm gonna be getting views on this very platform. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. If you want the prompt that I use for all of this, just make sure you join us on our Patreon, and that's gonna simply be given to you. Okay.